If Q is 2 and 5, anything related to 2 and 5, it is a terminating decimal. In terminating decimal, digital sum can be used. In terminating decimal, digital sum can be used. Suppose if the question is, listen carefully. Now, sir, why are we able to use a digital sum? Because 27% of 37. If question is like this, 9.69, 9.79, 9.89 and 9.99. Listen carefully. Sir, how are we able to use a digital sum? It is 27 into 37 divided by 100. What are the prime factors of 100? 2 square and 5 square. Anything denominator 2 and 5. Only 2, only 5. Only 2, only 5. 2 and its powers. 5 and its powers. Or 2 comma 5 powers. Anything which is there only of this digital sum can be used. Only of this digital sum can be used. Only of this digital sum can be used. 27, what is the digital sum? 9. 37, what is the digital sum? 1. 100, what is the digital sum? 1. 9 by 1 is 9. Answer digital sum is 9. I hope it is clear why we are using digital sum. I want a reply from Gokul, right? This concept is making him impatient and he is getting restless. Gokul beta, please reply. Gokul beta, please reply. If it is clear, other students, is it clear? Is it clear? I will do some more examples. Some more examples. You will come to know where the digital sum is used, right? Where the digital sum is not used. Please write down. Which of the following uses a digital sum? Uses or does not use a digital sum? Uses or does not use a digital sum? Uses or does not use a digital sum? Does not use a digital sum. Does not use a digital sum. First, we will do as many problems as possible. Write down, sir, so that you will come to know when to use a digital sum, when not to use a digital sum. One by 25, 1 by 18, 1 by 9, 5 by 13, 7 by 8. Not a single doubt you will get it. Not a single doubt you will get it. 1 by 25, 1 by 18, 1 by 9, 5 by 13, 7 by 8, 5 by 6, 8 by 29, 8 by 36. As long as the denominator is of the form power of 2 or power of 5, power of 2 or power of 5, I can use a digital sum. Here I can use a digital sum. It is 2 into 9. 9 is 3 square. Here I cannot use a digital sum. If the answer is converted into, if the fraction is converted into percentage, we cannot use a digital sum. Denominator is other than 2 and 5. Does not use a digital sum. It cannot use a digital sum if the answer is in percentage. Cannot use a digital sum because denominator is, it is a 2 cube, so you can use a digital sum here. It is a 2 into 3, so it cannot use a digital sum. Absolute clarity. I hope you got it right, sir. Any doubts, please ask me. The golden rule. Golden rule, please remember. If a fraction is there, numerator by denominator, numerator and denominator are co-prime. Co-prime means HCF of numerator denominator should be 1. If it is converted into X percentage, denominator other than 2 and 5, other than 2 and 5, other than 2 and 5, any prime factors if it is there, prime factors it is there, please do not apply digital sum. Do not apply digital sum. Please put a star mark, sir. Do not apply digital sum. Do not apply digital sum. If a fraction is of the form numerator by denominator, co-prime, HCF of numerator by denominator is 1. If it is percentage, do not apply digital sum if the denominator is other than 2 and 5. Other than 2 and 5. No beta, Gagan, I will explain. I will explain. Good doubt you have asked. Suppose, do not tell me this question, sir. Suppose if it is 14 and 2. 2 by 14. What did I say? I said they both should be co-prime to each other. It is 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So answer is 14.2857 bar. This is bar. Bar means recurring. Bar means recurring. Recurring means digital sum cannot be applied. Gagan, good doubt you have asked beta. Right? Gagan, good doubt if you asked. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 we are putting it as equivalent to 33.33. But actually it is not 33.33. If I take 33.33, if I multiply it, 1 is 3 into 33.33, it is 99.99%. But actually it is 100%. Whenever the denominator, suppose 1 by 6 is 16.67%, 16.66, it is nothing but 66 will be bar. Bar is recurring. Bar is recurring. I hope it is clear. Bar is recurring. Gagan beta, I hope it is clear. Right after the class is over, if any of your local teacher is telling you digital sum cannot be used and he is telling the class, go to the board, take a chalk piece or a marker and tell the teacher, please sit down, I will tell you the entire concept of digital sum. And tell them that I am a student of Anil Nair. Gagan, I hope it is clear beta. I hope it is clear. Not a single doubt you should get it in my class. Absolute conceptual clarity. Clear conceptual clarity. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. Is the idea clear? Say yes or no. Approximation techniques. First question. 307 divided by 604. Approximate values. Approximation means we will not use a digital sum. We will not use a digital sum. 307 by 604. Listen carefully. Very, very important concept. First we will discuss the concept. I told a few days before to my kids, but I will discuss this. 8 by 16. 8 by 16. What is the fraction? 1 by 2. Decrease the same value. 2 and 4. It is 6 by 12. It is again 1 by 2. If this is in the form of 1 by 2, if I add or decrease same fractions in the form 1 by 2, answer will not change. 7 by 28. It is in the form of 1 by 4. If it is in the form of 1 by 4, add and delete anything. 7 plus 4, 11. 28 plus 16, 44. 1 by 4. If you add, if the ratio is in the form of 1 by 2, do addition and division in the same 1 by 2, right? Or 1 by 4, answer will not change. So what I will do is, doing this is a little difficult. 307 by 604. It is of the form 3 by 6, it is 1 by 2. Because it is of the form 1 by 2, I will subtract 4 in the denominator, I will subtract 2 in the numerator. 2 by 4 is also 1 by 2. So it is 305 by 600. 600 into 100%. So it is nothing but 305 divided by 6. Answer is 61. How easily it got converted. How easily it got converted. Please write down every concept. 307 by 604. 3 by 6, it is 1 by 2. Subtract and divide. Say, subtract the same numbers. Same numbers, 1 by 2. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Idea clear? Idea, I hope it is clear. Shall I go to the next question? Anybody got doubts? Please ask me. Please ask me if you got any doubts. Any doubts? Please ask me. Next one, please write down. More and more questions we will solve. Answer is close to 61. Very, very important for your DIN, SBI and other aptitude exams. 212 divided by 207 divided by 812. Immediately it should strike you. 2 by 8, it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means try to make the denominator a multiple of 100. If I subtract 12, 1 by 4, it should be 3. So it should be 204 by 100. Answer over. It is 450. 1s are 4 2s are. Answer is 25.5. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful concept. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful concept. Are you all with me, sir? I hope the idea is clear. Any doubts, please ask me. Any doubts, please ask me. Kindly put it in the live chat in case if you got any doubts. Any doubts, please ask me. 51. Once you listen to the classes, it will be very easy, sir. 531 divided by 1008. 5 by 10, it is 1 by 2. It is 527 divided by 1000. 52.7. I hope it's perfectly clear to you, sir. 321 divided by 613. Try to solve. It is 1. So it is 13. 1 by 2, it is 6. Approximately 315 divided by 600. Close to 53. You can start creating your own questions. You can start creating your own questions. Right? 321 divided by 613. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Make the denominator a multiple of 100. Subtract 13. It should be closer to 1 by 2. If the denominator is 13, numerator should be 6. Numerator should be 6. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Idea clear? I hope the idea is clear. Munna, I hope it is clear, right? Right? Next, you are concentrate on the class. Let us solve some tough questions and try to make it very, very easy. If you do not understand this, you will find a lot of struggle in your DI. 421 by 730. 2045 by 8252. By 8252. Next one. 450 1083 by 218. 218. It is. Next question. 398 by 551. 551. Next one. 6092 by 9437. Approximate values. Approximate values. Approximate. Once you practice it, it becomes very, very easy for you. Absolutely easy for you. 117 by 250. 117 by 250. Try to solve this question, sir. You know the concept. You know the concept, try to solve. Do not miss any of my classes because they are all very conceptual, nor me nor Ajay sir's class. Those students who are listening for the first time, it is closer to 1 by 2. Subtract 30, subtract 15. 406 by 700. 100 will multiply. 7 5s are 35, 58 percentage. 58. Next is 2 by 8. Other will do 10 percentage, 1 percentage. You are ahead of them. It is 1 by 4. So it is 52. It is 13. So it is 2032 divided by 8000. You can do 2032 by 80, which is 1016 by 40. 1 by 2, it is 18 and it is 9. 94 by 200. 47. How easy it is, sir? If you know it, it is closer to 1 by 2. So it is 51 and it is 25. 373 divided by 500. Out. 5 7s are 35, 23. 74.6. 6 by 9. It is 2 by 3 format. So if I substitute 3 2s are 3 3s are. If I subtract 37, 3 12s are 36 closer. So it is subtract 24. 6068 divided by 9400. Easy. 1 by 2. Subtract 50, subtract 25. Subtract 25. I hope it is clear, right, sir? 92 divided by 200. How much time it takes to solve the question, you tell me, sir? How much time it takes? This is the beauty of concepts. This is the beauty of concepts. If every class, if you start listening like that, apne aap you will get confident that yes, I can crack it. I have unnecessarily joined the coaching centers and I have invested so much money. Investing 10%, I am getting 10x times content. I hope everybody understood this logic. Yes or no? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat in case if it is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Right? Every class will be like this, sir. You will not get any sheet as such. Anil Nair's author of 12 mathematical books. If I take the class will be like this. The class will be absolutely conceptual oriented. When I say a student, please purchase the videos, right? That is the quality. This is the kind of quality you get it in the class. Unfortunately, students get carried away by the advertisements or the brands. Big brands don't teach. Best teachers do. Approximation technique type 2. Don't miss any of these classes. Any illegal downloads, anything if it happens, right, you will get into a major problem. There is a student from Kolkata who is on tears. She is telling, sir, I did it unknowingly. And I told, I am sorry. I am going to show you. You have to pay. You cannot send the screenshots of my class and sell it representing your institute. That is illegal. 4050 4150 4150 4250 4350. Please write down. 4050 4150 4250. Right? Babulal, that is your mistake, right? You joined late. Do you want, right? Will you come late to the exam? The same kind of seriousness is with my class, right? Class is at 3 o'clock. Obviously, you will not understand anything. 648 percentage of 429020. Again concept. Again concept. Always remember, beta. High quality, good teachers always will not create time pass in the class. When they come to the class, they teach concept. Now, sir, can I use a digital sum here? You cannot use a digital sum. Why? Because it is 9 omitted, 4 plus 4, 8. Digital sum is 8. The digital sum of a, please write down, the digital sum of a perfect square is always 1, 4, 7 or 9, but it is 8. That means it is a non-perfect square. Non-perfect square, already we discussed, non-perfect square will always be non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating, can we use a digital sum? We cannot use a digital sum. We cannot use a digital sum. So digital sum cannot be used. Digital sum cannot be used. Babulal, concentrate, learn whatever you want, right? I understand, but what to do, right? SBI, PU and SSC exam is another 60-70 days. I need to take more classes because my students do not know the concept. When I am looking at the paid course students, I am realizing that they do not know so many things and they are aspiring for India's toughest competitive exam in terms of 30 lakh people have appeared for, are going to, have applied for SSC exam. That is the kind of competition, sir. 15 to 18 lakhs will apply for bank exam. Getting into IIM Ahmedabad, you think it is easy? Just to go into a coaching classes, you will get IIM Ahmedabad. First round, you will get 99.9 percentile without knowing the concepts. Give me a break. Give me a break. Without putting an effort, without knowing all the concepts, you think you are a Ramanujam who can easily get 99.99 percentiles. Please look at your mock scores. If your mock score is not close to 75 to 85 percentage of your total score, there is something wrong with your preparation. And the good thing with respect to technology is, you can get access to the best teachers at a very nominal price. That is the best thing. If you still do not utilize it, you are actually taking a knife and killing yourself. Nobody can, right, help you out other than yourself in your life. So it cannot be used. Concept. Application. Please write down. Application. Application. 648 percentage of 429020. 429020. Because it is approximated, I will make it into 429000. This is nothing but 4290. Listen carefully, beta. Into 100. So I will get 10 into root of 4290. And it is 648 percentage of 10 into root of 429. Root of 4290. Root of 4290. You remember we discussed this concept. In case if anybody has forgotten, approximate value of a non-perfect square. Approximate value of a non-perfect square. What is the concept? If root 13 is there, root 13 lies between which two values? Root 9 and root 16. It is 13 and 9 difference is 4, 16 and 9 difference is 7. Answer is 3, 4 by 7. This logic I discussed. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. Root of 4290. Root of 4290. Keep a slash after 2 digits. This is 42 is 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So 60 square is 3600. 65 square is 4225. So here it is root of 3600. It is root of 4225. You will get the value 60 plus. What is the difference of 4290 and 3600? 690 divided by close to 625. I hope it is clear, right, sir? I hope it is clear. Yes or no? Yes or no? So do the approximation. I will tell you 2 more methods. So 64, 8 percentage of 10 into this value will be closer to 65.75? So it is 64.8% of 65.75. You will get the answer. But in the exam, please do not use this method. It is calculation. Anything that involves calculation, you know that ANC is completely against more number of steps approach. More number of steps approach. I hope it is clear. We will not use this concept. Lot of calculations I am getting.